Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nickam. This is Houston. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening on June 29th, 30th and July 1st, 2018 at the George R. Brown Convention Center in Houston, Texas. Today we are going to discuss places of interest in Houston. Galleria Mall. It is an iconic landmark of Houston, featuring upscale shopping mall, which is one of the biggest ones in Houston, located at the corner of South Post Oak and West Highway. It has 2.4 million square feet of breathtaking shopping, restaurants, coffee shop, and skating ring, and much more. Plan on spending an entire evening and enjoy the luxurious shopping at its best. The best way to reach Galleria is to take a taxi or an Uber, get door-to-door service, and forget the parking. While you are near Galleria, you may also want to check out the picturesque waterfall. It is located close to the Williams Tower. This picturesque waterfall is very captivating. You may want to make a trip towards the evening so you can capture yourself in the twilight in front of the waterfall. While you are there, you may see a bride or a bridegroom getting the pictures of their lifetime. You might as well renew your wedding vows in front of the waterfall while capturing your own selfies. It will be a memorable memento of Houston, Texas. This is Houston. The moment you hear these words, you should trigger NASA. NASA is located just south of Houston. NASA is the crown jewel of American exploration of space. All the space shuttles and many rockets have been launched from Cape Canaveral in Florida, but they were all controlled by the mission control located in NASA. While you are in Houston, you will get a chance to visit NASA and see the mission control room that has created all the history related to the space exploration. You can take a bus tour from your hotel and enjoy some of the most technologically advanced nuances involved in space exploration. Jump into a space capsule and take a picture of yourself as an astronaut. It is an experience you don't want to miss. Houston. This is Houston, and this is NASA. If you are a sports fan, you want to capture the world champion Houston Astros playing at the Minute Maid Park. You can also watch two-time world champion Houston Rockets playing at the Toyota Center. And of course, we have the Texans playing at the NRG Stadium. There is nothing like wearing your favorite t-shirt with a drink in one hand, a Texas-sized nacho with cheese in the other, and screaming your guts out, rooting for your favorite team. You got to feel the thrill of 50,000 fans cheering for their team. And of course, if you're coming to Texas for the first time, how can you ever miss Houston Rodeo? But you have to come during the Houston Rodeo season. The next time you visit Houston, make sure you come during the Houston Rodeo season and feel the thrill of a bull ride, taste of barbecue, and of course the Texas chili. After all that, just sit in the sands and soak in some beautiful country music. This is Houston. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening on June 29th, 30th and July 1st, 2018 at the George R. Brown Convention Center in Houston, Texas. We will see you in Houston.